Today I want to talk about Jamaicans that I'm ashamed of. The first one is Errol Weber, a Republican politician, Jamaican born, who is staunchly anti-immigration. Look at what he posted last November after the election. We will take back this country from the frauds, the cheats and the liars. They will not get away with this. Who is the we he's talking about? And just last week, he tweeted that Meta, Facebook's new name, means make everything Trump again. But perhaps the worst thing this little dog shit ever put on the internet is when he said this. I support slavery reparations for every living person who was a slave. Since that is exactly no one, I guess I don't support reparations. Why you do it, Dranker? Why you do it? Next, we have Winsome Sears, born in Jamaica, who won this week as lieutenant governor in Virginia. Miss Sears is the national chairman of Black Republicans for re-election of Trump, and who wants to bar third parties from turning in ballots for others, and wants Virginia to go back to requiring photo ID at the polls. You know, last year after the election, when I did a video and said a lot of Jamaicans would have voted for Trump because Caribbean people are very conservative, very pro-life, very pro-church and very religious and overly zealous about religion and all these things that the Republican Party stands for, a lot of you jump on me back and say nothing no go so. Well, now here it is that there are two Jamaicans who have propped themselves up to fight against the very things that African Americans have been here fighting for. Me shame on you. It's times like these where I wish I had the power to take away people's passport and remove their citizenship altogether. I mean, how can you be anti-immigration when you come here because of immigration? How can you prop yourself up to fight for policies that are blatantly racist? I am disgusted and I am upset at these two people in particular, but I know that they're not alone. I know that many of you perpetuate these ideologies, and that is the reason why so many African Americans feel that you come here, that we come here and fight against their causes, because they have too many examples to show like this, and it upsets me a lot. It upsets me.